Miami. It's real chilly today, about 60 degrees, hence the reason for the sweater. But we're out here catching peacock bass and maybe some largemouth bass in Pinecrest, Florida. And we're gonna have a great day on the water, so you guys stay tuned.
First cast.
First peacock of the day.
That's a nice one. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Go get him. Yeah, that's a nice one. Bring him this way, Vicky. Bring him this way. Oh, shit. That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Woo!
Take him to the front. Take him to the back.
Got him.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that pea. Look at that pea.
He's
There
so
we
pretty.
go.
Nice pea. Awesome. Persistence pays. They're getting bigger at least, so that's good. I think we're gonna catch some bigger ones too. So let's release this guy. All right, I'm gonna release this pea and then we're gonna go catch some more. See you later, guy. peacock bass. We just threw a line out for some carp, and then we saw the peacock bass over there under the tree. Decided to try for it, and it paid off. Got a nice one. Gorgeous. Matches my shirt. Alright, I'm gonna release this beautiful peacock. Catch some more. Hopefully we'll catch a carp.
Okay, that's a nice fish. I'd say that's game.
Oh, he's pretty.
Ooh, nice.
He's a pretty one. Much brighter color.
Nice, there we go, that's a pretty one. You got him on the eye.
Yes!
You got him right on the eye, dude.
Just caught another peacock bass. John saw some topwater action over there, told me to sight cast to it, and it hit it right on the water. Really nice fight, gorgeous colors. Another beautiful peacock bass. All right, let's release this guy, see if we can catch some more. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I want to give a big thank you to John Fish On with Reel Hooking. We had a great day today. Even though it was pretty chilly here in Miami, we still managed to catch a lot of peacock bass, and we even spotted some tailing carp. We weren't able to hook up to those, but I have a feeling next time we come out, we're definitely going to catch some of those. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later.